Do you know that you can earn up to 18% investing in treasury bills in Nigeria? Whether you are a Nigerian living in Nigeria, a Nigerian living outside Nigeria, or you are a foreigner, this video is definitely for you. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can earn 18% return on investment through treasury bills, or as we like to call it in Nigeria, T-bills. If you are watching my video for the first time, hello, my name is Chiamaka, and on my channel we talk about everything concerning money, from the mindset you should have to how to invest, to how you can make money online, and how you can make your money to work for you. If that's what you are interested in, I want to especially welcome you to my channel and implore on you to subscribe to the channel so that you can be getting amazing videos just like this. Investing in treasury bills is for everyone, and you can start investing with as low as $10 or 10,000 naira or even 20,000 naira. This question was from a subscriber who is not even a Nigerian. He reached out to me to ask me how he can invest in the Nigerian treasury bills, and trust me to get you all the information you need to know on how you can do that. I want you to continue watching till the end of this video, because at the end of the video there is an important step you have to do in order for you to have a share or to have a portion of your investment in the Nigerian treasury bills, and you don't want to miss this important step. And I'm going to be using the Bamboo app to show you guys how you can earn up to 18% return on investment. So we open the Bamboo app and you scroll down to assets, where you see US stocks, Nigerian stocks, fixed returns, and then treasury bills, right? So we click on treasury bills, and here it says invest in treasury bills, earn stable interest while enjoying the full security of the Nigerian government. It is safe and secure, and you can grow your wealth with stable fixed income Naira investment, which is backed by the Nigerian government. So what this means is that no matter what happens, the Nigerian government are indebted to you. They are going to pay you back your investment if anything happens. So nothing is going to happen, and if it does, be rest assured that your investment is safe and is secure. So it also has competitive rates, that is competitive return on investment. And here it says take advantage of the attractive returns earned on your preferred investment tenures. And the minimum investment that you can use to buy treasury bills in Nigeria is just 10,000 naira. And if you are a foreigner, you can even do $10 and above, right? So let's click on see available bills, right? And here it shows that if you are investing for 90 days, you are getting 14% ROI. If you are investing for 182 days, you will get 15% ROI. If you are investing for 364 days or 365 days, which is equivalent to 1 year, you are going to earn 18%, a whooping 18% returns. See, there is no investment that can give you this ROI. Even if you decide to invest for just 90 days, you are going to get 14% ROI. Please tell me an investment scheme that will offer you even up to 12% ROI. Right? So which means that this is a very, very huge deal and a great opportunity for you to earn from the government of Nigeria. So let's click on 364 days, and we are going to invest 10,000 naira. Wow, 10,000 naira is now $5. That is so unfortunate. So we're going to invest. Let's say you have 10,000 naira to invest, right? The expected return after 365 days you have extra 2,000 naira returns. Now imagine if you have 100,000 naira to invest. What you are going to have at the end of the year is over 20,000 naira. Now let's up that to 1 million naira. Let's say you have 1 million naira that you want to invest in treasury bills. At the end of the year, you are gonna go home with 1.2 million. Tell me any investment that can guarantee you this high level of returns. And trust me, your traditional banks would not even give anything higher than 4 or 5% ROI after a year. So which makes this the ultimate investment you have to make in order to be earning steady returns on investment. So you click on preview investment, you see here face value is 11,000, and face value is the guaranteed amount the government pays you when your treasury bill reaches its maturity date. And here we have effective yield. Effective yield refers to the actual annual return on your investment while taking into account the compounding effect. And your effective yield is 21, a whooping 21% ROI. The tenure is 365 days. Maturity date is October. If you are investing today, your maturity date will be a year from now, which is October 2025, right? And the amount invested, of course, Bamboo, just like every other investment platform, they are going to have custody fee or any other fee that they charge for helping you to bring all these investments to your doorstep. So you click on proceed, and then it tells you to select your payment type. If you want to know how to fund your Bamboo wallet, click on this link and it will show you step by step on how you can fund your wallet, right? So now that I have 19,000 on my Bamboo wallet, I click on Bamboo wallet. But if you've not funded your wallet, just know that if you are depositing directly using your debit card, there's going to be a 2,000 naira transaction charge on that account. So we click on proceed, and there you have it. Our treasury bill investment has been officially activated, and it will also show you what levels you are, and when it reaches the maturity date, then your payout is definitely going to be ready. All right, so I hope this video has been extremely helpful to you. If you have any other question you want to ask on treasury bills, on how you can invest in the stock market, let me know in the comments, and I will gladly answer whatever question it is that you may have. Right, so if you really enjoyed this video, I want to encourage you to give this video a big thumbs up like this video, and if you made it to the end of this video, please write in the comments, I made it. And if you want to know step by step on how you can fund your Bamboo account, how you can buy shares with the Bamboo app, how you can sell your shares, and how you can transfer your sold shares into your bank account, I want you to click on this video to watch it, and I will see you in this video.